How to link Nintendo account with Xbox Fortnite. For this, go ahead and launch your preferred browser on your PC. You can also conduct this process using your iOS or Android. In the search bar, you just have to go ahead and search for Epic Games. Tap on the first suggestion shown, that is Epic Games Store. So right here, make sure you are logged in to your Epic Games. Tap on the user icon and head to the account option. You will land here in this page. In your left hand side, you will see all of these options. You have to scroll down and tap on Apps and Accounts. Here you will find all of the accounts that you can connect to. If you are on Apps, simply tap on the Accounts tab. Scroll down and tap on Connect of Nintendo account. Next step is to tap on Connect account given to you. Now, if you are new to your Nintendo account, tap on Create a Nintendo account. If you already have one, just tap on Sign In. Enter your email address and your password, then tap on Sign In. If you have forgotten your password, just tap on Forgot your password displayed at the bottom. Just like that, you'll be able to log into your Nintendo account, connecting your Xbox to your Nintendo. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.